Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to sort your documents and file in Google Drive as per their size. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in. It is quite easy. Now let's simply try to sort by size. Well, right here, as you can see on the nav bar, at the very rightmost section, there's a button like this that says name. Simply click on it. Alas, you cannot see sort by size right here. To simply sort by size, what you need to do is focus on the left side of the screen. Right here is a button called as storage. Simply click on it. Then you will be redirected to this page. And right here, from here, you can see something like files using drive storage. And right next to it, there's a button like this that says storage used. And if you look below it, as you can see, the files are sorted as per their size or simply the storage used. You can sort it in ascending order or descending order. You simply have to click on this storage used button right here. And guys, that is it. That is how you sort files by size in Google Drive. It's quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.